Welcome to our channel. In this video, we should discuss one of the subsidiary book known as sales book. So let's begin. Sales book is one of the subsidiary book which is used to record all credit sale of goods. That means it does not record cash sales of goods, cash sales of assets, and credit sales of assets are not recorded in our sales book. So the sales book means the subsidiary book which is used to record all credit sale of goods is called sales book. So before recording any transactions in the sales book, we must confirm about the sale of goods and sale of assets. Generally, our sales is broadly divided into two types, that is cash sales and second one is credit sales. Again, cash sales is further divided into two types, that is cash sales of goods and cash sales of assets. Similarly, credit sales also further divided into two types, that is credit sale of goods and credit sale of assets. Generally, cash sale of goods are recorded in cash book, cash sales of assets recorded in cash book, credit sale of goods is only recorded in our sales book, and credit sale of assets recorded in journal proper. That means the sales book only records the credit sale of goods. So before recording any transaction in our sales book, we have to identify which one is or credit sale of goods and which one is credit sale of assets. So for that purpose, we simply follow a rules, that is for a particular trader with which it deals, such item is considered as goods and other items with which it does not deal is called assets. For example, for a book seller, all the books and notebooks and office stationeries are considered as goods, whereas furniture, motorcycle and laptops are considered as asset for that trader. That means a particular trader which deals with a particular item, when it is going to sell such items or such goods, that should be considered as credit sale of goods when it is sold on credit basis. Whereas if that trader is going to sell any other articles with which it doesn't deal, is called our assets. Generally it is ignored. That means it should not be recorded in our sales book. So now come to the specimen of our sales book. Generally it has 6 columns. First column is our date column that records date of the invoice written or sent to the customer is recorded in our date column. Second column is our particulars column, which is used to record name, place of the customer, name of the customer, and brief description of goods supplied to customer. And the third column is our invoice number column, where we record the serial number of invoice sent to the customer. And fourth column is LF column, which is used to record page number of the customer account in ledger. And detail column records the gross value of the goods sold and trade discount, and any other expenses are recorded in our details column. And our sixth column is amount column, which records the net amount receivable from customer. And at the end, we should total the total amount receivable from the customers. So now come to the various features of our sales book. Generally, it records credit sale of goods. Then second feature is it ignores cash sales of goods. Then third feature is it provides detailed information regarding credit sale of goods. Then our fourth feature is it is monthly total. So these are the various features of our sales book. So let's repeat again. It records only credit sale of goods. It ignores cash sales of goods or cash sales of assets. Then our third feature is it provides detailed information regarding credit sale of goods. And our fourth feature is generally it is monthly total, and which is then transferred to our account. So these are the various features of our sales book. Now we should consider the ledger postings of our sales book. Generally, two types of ledger posting are made. That is, one is our customer account, and second one is our sales account. Our customer account is debited by recording in its debit side to sales account, whereas our sales account is credited by posting in its credit side by customer account. Generally, our sales account credits the monthly total of the sales book. So these are all about our sales book. So repeatedly watch this video in order to clear your doubts and share it with your friends. Thank you.